Hi, it's Janet and welcome to my channel. This is where you can be inspired, learn new techniques, and pick up some new tips and tricks. Get started by subscribing and clicking on the bell. Hello everybody, hope you're having a wonderfully crafty day. I'm here today to show you some of the items I made with things that Alpha Stamps sent me. And they sent me a lot of beautiful goodies. But one of the things they sent me was their November kit, and it's called the Christmas Baking Treat Box Kit. So I primarily use that as my starting point for my projects, so that I added some things, additional things that they sent me, and I'll talk about that too. But let's take a look at what's in the kit first of all. So what comes is a flat house treat box. This is what I did with it. I decorated mine. You can see I decorated it to make it look like it had a front. I've got some side views here, a back view, and another side view. And I used collage sheets that they sent me to decorate this house. I used pattern papers that is included with the kit to decorate the house with, so all of that comes with it. And then I used Flora Crafts Diamond Dust for the roof to give it kind of a glittery finish. I also used a clip that was an extra that they sent me. And I'm calling this house number 7 Candy Cane Lane. And I put the 7 on the house, and I call it that because there are 7 candy canes on it. There are the 3 hanging here, 2 more here, and 2 more on each side of the clip. So that equals 7. So there you go, 7 Candy Cane Lane. And you can use this to fill it with treats, with little gifts, whatever you choose to do, or just use it to decorate with. It's adorable. Alright, what else comes in the kit are 3 6x12 sheets of cardstock. And this is from Authentic. It's from the Rejoice collection. And I've cut some pieces out of it, but you can see this is one of the patterns. You get this pattern on one side and this diamond pattern on the other. Then again, fitting with the baking theme, we've got these cute aprons, and then this white and red baking pattern on this side. And then the last sheet is this cookie and holly on one side, and then there's a red and white check on the other side of this one. And I used almost every bit of that piece in my projects. So what else comes are some miniature pieces. These are 5 miniature resin cakes, and it's called the mini Christmas cake, the mini Christmas chocolate cake resin mix. I didn't use any of those in this project, but I'm definitely going to find somewhere to use them because they are so pretty and detailed. This is gingerbread cookie resin mix, and there were actually 4 of those. But I used 3 in my projects, and I'll show you that, but that's the one that I have left. Then there is the Polymer Clay Christmas Candy Slice Mix. This has red, green, and white sprinkles, red dots, peppermint slices, and little tiny snowflakes. Super cute mix. Alright. Then you also get a collage sheet. It is called Sweet Treats, and it has that kind of baking theme, but also just some really nostalgic, beautiful graphics of snowmen to go with the kit. So let me show you what I made, and I'll talk about some of the extras I used as well. So getting back to my house, I did use some pieces from a chipboard set they sent along, and this is called the mini, let me make sure I get this right, it is called Mini House Doors and Windows. It's just a plain chipboard that you can punch out of here. It's already got most of it cut. Punch it out and then paint it or decorate it any way you like. I used it for the door and the window, and I used a metallic paint pen to make them gold, and then I cut out little pieces from different collage sets and decorated it. Then I used these candy cane polymers that they sent, and also these 3 are wire with threading on them to look like candy canes, so super cute. I also used this clip And inside I chose to put some tags. I'll show some more of those in a moment. But you could have this open from the bottom or the top. I just chose to do it from the top. Alright, let's look at my book. Now I'm calling this a tag notebook. And the reason I call it that is because you've got a notebook inside as well as a bunch of tags. My theory here is that you could write down who you're going to buy gifts for and then what you bought. Then as you wrap it, you can check it all off and put your tag on it and you're done. And then you also have a record of what you gave the different people on your list. Now this closes with a elastic cording and a metal knob, which this came from my stash, the knob and the cording, but they do sell some metal knobs, so you could check that out if you're interested. I'll also put my Amazon link for that. I used this dome from Sizzix and Tim Holtz. This is it. It's called Dimensional Domes. This is also from my stash. And then I decorated the front with a bunch of different collage pieces. Some of it came from the Sweet Treats sheet that I showed you that comes with the kit, and other pieces came with various others. These came from a sheet called Gingerbread. And I think that these guys came from that too. So it turned out really cute. I put an eyelet in here and then hung from that a couple charms. This comes in a set of 6 charms. That is called the Santa Sleigh charms. So you get this one and these other 5 charms in that set. So I'll bring those up to the camera so you can see them better. Really cute, including those mittens. How adorable is that? Alright, so the other one that I used is called the Double Candy Cane charm. That comes as a set of 2 or a single, I'm not sure, but I got one of those and I thought that fit, obviously, because this has some candy cane overtures to it. Inside, I added a tablet. The tablet came from the Dollar Tree. There were 5 of these in a pack, so very economical to do that. And here are the 3 additional gingerbread resin cookies that came in that set, where this was the 4th piece that I didn't use. And then I'll take my tags out and you can see that I have a gusseted pocket there that I created. And I used some of the collage pieces again to decorate that. And some more of that paper. This again was the one side, and this red and white is in the inside or the flip side of that cardstock. So quite nice. Let's take a look at the tags I made. I used dies in my stash to create these rectangular ones. And all of the graphics come from collage sheets that they sent me, and then I used my own papers and sometimes some stickers and ribbons, and of course my thread is my own as well here. But let's take a look at those graphics. They are just adorable and elegant also. These are mostly turn of the century, I would say, graphics. Really neat and pretty. I love the old world feel of them. And then I've got round ones that I cut, and this is I think a 1.5 inch, 1 3/4 inch circle punch with a 2-inch scallop punch. And then I just inked the edges of my punched pieces and glued them on, and they say to and from on the back. Very simple, but I think really creates some beautiful tags. So if you want to make some quick tags, this might be a great idea for you. Check them out to get these graphics. They're just beautiful. It's like an angel, I think. And that little boy pulling a sleigh is really cute also. So inside of here I was able to comfortably fit 10 tags, and they just go in the pocket. It closes like so and stays secure like that. So I think that made a really cute little book. I did ink the edges with some distress ink to make it look a little more aged as well. And then I don't think I mentioned it, but inside the dome I put a few of those sprinkles in here, just enough to add a little bit of fun, but not enough to cover up the graphic. So I like how that turned out too. I'm going to be coming out with a construction tutorial on how to make this book. So I'll show you how to start with the paper and chipboard to create the book itself, and then how to install the tablet and make the gusseted pocket. So look for that. It'll be coming this weekend. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so that you will get a notice when this comes out. You won't want to miss it. So thanks for joining me today. I will see you soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye. Keep the fun going. I invite you to click on one of these videos for additional inspiration. Thank you for watching.